I'm almost done with this bottle cap. I just got to get some clear coat over the other powder coat colors. Just like when I sprayed the Illusion Malbec, I gotta plug up the magnet holes. This time there are no masks. I'm gonna put clear coat over the entire cap. The powder that I'm going to be using here is another one by Prismatic Powders. This one's called Vision Clear. As you can see, it goes on white, but obviously when it bakes, it becomes transparent. There's not a lot to say here. I'm just trying to get this thing covered. If the layer of powder is too thin, it might cure into sort of a frosty appearance instead of a glossy glass kind of appearance. So mostly what you want to do is keep putting it on there until you can't see the colors below the powder coat. The clear coat, I should say. At this point, you can still sort of see a hint of the colors below, so just gonna keep adding some more. Every now and then, you get these little pop marks on the clear coat. And it happens with other colors too. I'm not sure what to make of them, but they usually aren't apparent after being baked and cured. Now that I got it covered, I just gotta get it into the oven without touching anything. Watch closely here. Did you catch that? I just made it so I get to do this one over again. It just takes the lightest touch to knock the powder off. I'm gonna clean this part off and wash it again and start over. I'm not going to make you watch it this time around. I'll do it in fast forward. The camera goes a little nuts here, but I wanted to show how easy it is to start over when doing powder coat. You just got to spray it off with compressed air. I usually like to wash it with Comet again, and then dry it off, of course, and start over. Take two. I apparently didn't feel like wearing gloves this time. I find that I usually have to wash my hands and arms anyway, so unless I'm wearing long sleeves and long gloves or something like that, sometimes I just forego gloves altogether. I thought some people might like to see the powder coat actually change color. I'm going to do most of this in fast forward, but every now and then I open up the the oven to check the temperature, and I'm going to slow it back down at that point. And you can see this, first the clear coat becoming transparent, and then you can also watch the Illusion Malbec change color from sort of a dark purple to a dark red. I also wanted to show the temperature increasing, but apparently I didn't actually get the thermometer inside the frame of the video camera. This thing didn't really get up to 400 degrees until the very end, and I actually had to turn the toaster oven up in order to get to that temperature. Since this was the final bake and cure, I wanted to make sure to get it fully cured, but at this point I basically got tired of waiting and decided to just start the countdown and end it. In a moment you'll see that I actually started the countdown and then after 2 minutes reset the countdown. It's apparently possible to over-cure powder coat, so I didn't want to push it too much, but I really wanted this thing to at least reach 400 degrees. There it is, all done. Just got to put some magnets in it and declare it finished. Alright, I think this is the best one I've ever made. Thanks for watching.